Want to kick someone off your PS5 game share in under 60 seconds? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. Before we start, know this. You can't remove their console directly, but you can turn off sharing from your account and cut their access. So we'll disable console sharing on your end, and if needed, also change your password to fully lock things down. Grab your controller and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the games. Ready? We'll move fast, so follow along and pause if you need to. Step 1. From the PS5 home screen, go to the top right and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Users and Accounts and select it. Now choose Other on the left side menu. On the right, select Console Sharing and Offline Play. If it says Enabled, choose Disable. This stops your account from sharing games on that other console. For extra safety, back out, go to Account, then Security, and change your password. That's it. Console sharing is off, their access is gone, and your PS5 account is locked down and yours again.